Dolphins are not only sea dolphins, but also river dolphins, or freshwater dolphins. Dolphins' smooth and supple skin is covered with oily secretions, which helps them swim at great speed. Dolphins, like monkeys, can, when looking in a mirror at their reflection, realize that they see themselves. Dolphins immediately swallow food without chewing, because their jaws are not designed for chewing. The average dolphin in a day devours the amount of fish, equal to about a quarter of his weight. They can communicate with each other. They have a whole language. Dolphins give each other names. Moreover, they respond to them. On average, a dolphin can hold its breath for 8 to 10 minutes.